Hello and welcome back to Deep Dive Diaries by Correlate Insights. I'm your host and researcher Yukta Bunega. Today, let us understand how Asan used research to break menstrual taboos, periods, natural yet still surrounded by silence and stigma. While personal care evolved, menstrual hygiene stayed stuck in outdated designs and taboos. One brand, Asan, decided to change that. By listening to women and turning insights into empathy driven design, Asan redefined menstrual care. And let us understand how they used research to break taboos, redefine and redesign the menstrual cup, and spark change across communities. The problem, founded by Ira Guha, Asan's mission was simple to make periods easy, accessible, and sustainable. But the reality told a different story. Pads caused rashes, high waist, high cost, and menstrual cups were rejected as uncomfortable or taboo. And then they realized the menstrual cups weren't working not because they didn't work, but because they weren't designed with women. So they began deep consumer research to understand the needs and barriers. Research objective, Asan's goal, create a menstrual cup women would actually want to use. They aim to understand cultural and emotional barriers, fix comfort, fit, and hygiene issues, co create a design with the users, normalize conversations, open conversations about menstruation. This wasn't just a product research, it was about turning shame into confidence. Understanding women. So, Asan studied 30 women across India, the UK, and the US through group discussions, interviews, and surveys. They discovered pads caused irritation and disposal embarrassment. Menstrual cups were hard to remove, unhygienic stains, and stems painful. Medical terms like cervix height created confusion for users. They discovered that these barriers weren't just physical, they were emotional and cultural. Turning insights into design. Asan turned feedback into innovation, replaced the hard stem with a softer ring for easier removal, used a bright red color to hide stains and boost confidence. Lastly, simplified the sizing to light, medium, and heavy flow. The result? A menstrual cup that was easy to use, hygienic, and approachable. Create a movement. Change needed trust, not ads. In rural Karnataka, Asan launched a 6-month program training local women as ambassadors. They led workshops, shared experiences, and built confidence. Adoption rose from 30% to 90%, proving real change starts with honest conversation. The impact. Each Asan cup replaced hundreds of pads, reducing plastic waste and saving money for users. The team tracked carbon emissions and sustained adoption rates. Their cross subsidy model made the cups affordable in low income regions, making the business blend with social change. The bigger message, Asan's strength wasn't just in design, it was in empathy. They did not ask, how do we sell a cup? They asked, what do women need? By being problem focused and not product focused, Asan turned menstrual care into empowerment. This case study reminds us that true innovation doesn't always begins in lab, but in people's life. So yes, if you like this video, do hit the like, share, and subscribe button to keep watching how insights change the world, one insight at a time.